Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an ebook in Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to Canva and then search for the specific ratio or size for ebook in Canva. So I have searched here that this is the general size for Canva. So I will go to Canva, go to custom size, and then copy the inch measurement here, paste it right here, and then the other one. Also make sure that this is inch measurement, okay? And then once done, and all you have to do is to create design. Now on the left side, you should see the design option right here. And all you have to do is to search for a specific keyword. I will be creating an ebook for star space. The title of my ebook is Luna and the Lost Stars. So here I will be adding the title, and then I can now change the font style, font size, add effects. Actually, everything is up to you. You can do a lot of things inside Canva. Canva is a free tool for editing, but if you want to unlock some features here, then you need to upgrade your plan. Now, this one is optional. You can go to elements and add some objects here. Add another page, go to design, look for the specific background here. You can use this one, you can use the first one. So all you have to do is to expand this one. You can delete or add objects right here and then paste at the first page of your ebook. Okay, this is what it looks like. Feel free to adjust, feel free to edit, add effects, and so on. Now, once you're done with this, then you can also copy the background and then create again the third page of your ebook. You can choose also from any of the design on the left side, but you can also copy what I'm doing right now. So I just have to copy the background here so that it would be easier for me to proceed with my next page. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You just have to go to text, or you just have to copy the font or the text above, copy the ebook outline or ebook story that you have created using ChatGPT, paste it right here, and so on. Now, once you're done with this, and then all you have to do is tap on share, and then you have to make sure that this is PDF, okay, under PDF version. Just do it the same thing, just add pages and add your ebook storyline here. So basically, this is how easy it is to create an ebook in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.